I'm not good at talking bad stuff. Hi, we're the Seagull Ultimatum. We'll be playing tomorrow here for Rule the Roost #1 at 7 o'clock. There are flyers right here. That's what people were telling me to say. What? We will pass them around later. Yes. So usually whenever we do open mics, we like singing our own songs because that's what we do. But tonight we're gonna sing 2 cover songs by that band called Mardell, who are also playing at the show tomorrow. Yes. Okay. I really liked that violinist. He just walked outside. It's okay.
Smith.
So this is where it begins. Do you trust me? Yes. Because everybody has to have somebody. Why, oh why, oh why not me? Can't you see that we're meant to be together now? Until you all die inside of me. Yes, oh, come on, let's go. Yes, oh, come on, let's go. So did you really think that I needed you? Darling, it's over, you're done. Truly you must understand who this is all about. Only me. Can't you see that we're meant to be together now? Until you all die inside of me. Yes. Oh, come on, let's go. Yes. Oh, come on, let's go. All in my time with you isn't real. I got you now. I took care of you. Don't believe that you won't be free. I got you now. I took care of you. Can't you see that we're meant to be together now? Until you all die inside of me. Yes. Oh. Yes. Oh. Your time with you isn't real.